Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the BIGZZIA 2000 watt 150 bar pressure washer. At the time of recording, this is available on Amazon for £100. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I have also reviewed other pressure washers on my channel. I will link them down below and in the pop-up card if you want to watch them reviews. I'll take everything out the box, but before I do that, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that's included inside the box. A little bit of assembly is required, so you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Get some paperwork. At the back of the paperwork of the instruction manual, there is a little pin. That's to unclog any particles that get stuck inside the lance or inside this little connector here. I'll show you where they will fit in a bit. That has a little filter in, so if I remove the filter, you can see there, and it fits in there. We get 3 screws, the lance holder which fits at the bottom. I'll walk you through all that. The gun holder, the gun, it's got a lock on and a lock off as well. So push it, that's off, push it, that's on. At the bottom, that's where the high pressure hose would fit. I'll show you that in a bit. That's where the lance would go. The lance, that's what it looks like from there. That would fit into the gun. The lance there, it has some writing there. If I face it that way, you could see it says pressure and the rate of the flow as well. You could control it. That's the handle. The reel is already attached. It has a 5-meter high pressure hose. It has a handle there as well to wheel it back in. The main body, that's water outlet, that's water inlet. Just take these caps off. We'd connect the high pressure hose there. And if I take this cap off, that's where this would fit, where you would put the hose on this. If I just push that in and twist it. Moving up from there, we have the on-off switch. On the right side, we have a 5-meter cable and a quick release hook at the bottom and a fixed hook at the top where this would fit. The first thing we'll assemble is the lance holder. You could see there's them two there. They match with the 2 parts there. We put the screw in. And just push that into place. And we tighten the screw. Next, we assemble the gun holder. There's an opening at the bottom of this. You push that part down. The last thing left to do is to put the handle on, but you could see them 2 screws there, and there are them 2 parts there. And the back bit there, that just slides on first. We turn it around, then we put the remaining 2 screws in. Just wrap the cord around. To connect the lance to the gun, you could see them fittings there, and that's what that looks like from in there. Just face these 2 up and down, push it in and twist. That's in place. And to remove it, push it in and twist the other way and pull it. Let's leave it in for now. And we get the high pressure hose, push this thing back first and push that in and twist it. The high pressure hose would fit into the gun just one way, just push it in. To release it, push this orange button and pull. The high pressure gun would fit in its place. That would go down and that would go in there. So the handle on the reel may become loose like this during transportation, so you just pull it up. At the back, it has another handle there. We have a 1000 ml built-in detergent tank which can be removed. To remove it, hold it from the bottom, pull it up and push it out. Just open that. You take the feed out, Put your detergent in there, your car shampoo or patio cleaner. Put the feed back in and then push it back in. It has an information sticker there letting us know it's 2000 watt, IPX5 and 96 decibels. Overall, the build quality on this is really good. Often on my pressure washer videos, I do get a lot of questions. I'm trying to make this video as simple as possible, but if you still do have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be using an extension wire because the provided cable, it's only 5 meters. And for me, that isn't long enough. Around the front, I have a socket outside, but in my back garden, I don't. So I will be using an extension wire. So this here, what I'm using, it's a Karcher Aqua Stop Quick Connect. It's a universal fitting, so it will fit any pressure washer. If you want to pick this up, I will link it down below. This would fit on the garden tap I have outside. We'll put this on first. We loosen this. Put down the pipe first, and then push the pipe in there. See, this pipe's being cut, you see, we cut it because we wanted a shorter length when I do these videos, because my other one's too long. Push that in. Make sure it's in securely and then just tighten that. The inside of the quick connect looks like that. And if I just push the pipe in again, just twist it. That end would go on there. As you can hear, it made a click sound. That's on securely. I've already connected this to my outside tap. I'm putting this end, what I just put onto the pipe, I just push it up. And once I open that, the water will start flowing through. I'm putting this on to the extension lead. And then the extension lead plug, I'm plugging it in to my mains and I'm turning it on. And then I'm going to turn the tap on as well. I've plugged into the mains, I've turned the water tap on. Now this step's very important when you're using any pressure washer, you never run it dry. I've left the water tap on and I'm not going to turn the pressure washer on yet. I'm going to push the trigger. See, there's water coming out now. Now I'm going to turn the pressure washer on and you'll hear it kick into life. And you heard the motor kick into life. Now it's ready to use. Now on the lance, it's got a plus sign and a minus. That's to control the pressure. So the built-in detergent tank, when you're going to use that, have it on the minus sign because that can only be used when it's in low pressure. But as I'm going to be cleaning my slabs, I'm going to put this on the maximum pressure. And at the front there, that's to control the flow. It's open now, that's more focused. That will be good for doing my stonework, what I'm going to do now. I can close it when I'll be doing my fencing. It's cleaned up really well. I think you can pick up surface cleaner as well, because when you're doing large areas like this, a surface cleaner would be a lot quicker, because if you've seen my other pressure washer reviews, with the surface cleaner you could get this done a lot quicker than just using the pressure gun by itself. But it's more than capable of cleaning it, as you've seen. Just to show the pressure of this, I'm leaving it on the maximum setting and I'm going to aim for these little weeds here. No problem at all, as you can see. Pressure washing is so satisfying, you could carry on for ages. For the price, this pressure washer is really good. The well-known companies charge extra for the name. I reviewed a budget pressure washer which was similar to this in 2019 and it's still working absolutely fine. If you're not bothered about the brand and you want to save some money and you want a powerful pressure washer, can definitely recommend this. I hope I covered everything. If I missed anything out, ask me in the comment section below. If you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.